Hi guys, so we're at the same spot again today. Tonight we're camping here at Paradise Resort. So we've already made a campfire, so we're trying to cook dinner now. This is a chicken fillet that I bought at some mall, and then I also have some meatballs and some chicken inasal as well. Medyo nasunog na siya, so focus muna tayo. Okay. So we're waiting for my food. Ito mo yung pinapanood ko. Mommy Michelle Vlogs! I'm watching your premiere from the campsite.
Pero wala eh. Wala kasi sa social, alam mo yung activities, physical activities. Kasi
Niluluto ko. Now, that's the chicken. Ano nangyayari sa chicken? Okay pa ba siya? Okay ka pa dyan? So, kain na tayo guys. Kain na. Kain na. J-Rob, yo, yo, yo! I'm watching your premiere from the campsite. Look at that. Watching the premiere for Sir Lennon. Shout out Chillax. Shout out to Chillax. It's quite cold here, but that's why we would love to stay near the fire. Ang ganda ng feeling. Nakaka-relax. So relaxing.
so weird.
What's that?
Ah, great.
Shout out Sir Lennon. Thank you so much. Mega shout out. Chillax. Mega shout out. I'm making some hot choco for these kids. So I'm trying to boil the water now. I'm using my mocha pot. Good morning. Good morning. Wow, ang aga niya nagising. Come too early. How's your morning? Miss Chelsea. Morning dog. Huh?
Morning.
So, Duke and I slept in the van, and this girl slept in the tent. Ay, ang ganda. I want to sleep. We slept at around 2 a.m. We had friends over. Yung cousin ko na dito sa resort. Pamangkin nung may-ari ng resort. They joined us, and then we had jam lang, music and all, and it was so much fun last night. We had really good time with them. Ayan. Yung nangyari kagabi. Wine night and tulog kayo ulit.
Yeah.
What are you guys doing? Wi-Fi? Wi-Fi lang. Sam. Is it cold last night? Sam. Huh? No? Was it even hot? It was hot? You had the windows or this one open? Sam. Okay, so let's prepare breakfast. Probably have some eggs again. Some omelette, egg omelette. Let's prepare the pan. Then we have some tomatoes, the omelette, and also some pachons. Mash the tomatoes first. Feeling good. Like a shit. We're gonna cook some rice first. This morning they want to they decided to cook for us. So, anong lulutuin natin, Sam? Ano lutuin natin, Sam?
Kuan. Egg.
This is samantha.
Egg.
Egg and what's that?
Egg.
Some egg, hot dogs, corned beef. Egg omelette? Is that egg omelette?
Egg. Bukunit.
What are you doing? Cracking some eggs. Cracking some eggs.
Oh.
Sponsored by Generica Drugstore. That's an oxo biodegradable.
Sponsored by Generica.
Erika, my ka.
Sponsored by Generica.
That's rice, right? That's rice. Okay, so time to beat the eggs. Time to beat the eggs. Wala may kekasog, Sam. Bilisan mo yung pagbibiti, Aya. Yaya, bilisan mo. Gutom na kami.
Ako lang kakain.
Yung mga amo mo, oh.
Ah, grabe kayo.
Yung mga amo mo. Tumitingin. Yaya, bilisan mo.
Ay! Hindi na ako magluluto dito.
Wag ka, Yaya. Magalit ang amo mo.
Yes, we do the cooking. Yes, we do the cleaning. Iyang araw, maghihuli si Buyas Mitch. Anong hugot mo sa sibuyas? Sibuyas ka lang? Wala kang karapatan upang ako ipayakin.
Maganda na.
First time ako nakaluto. Gingana.
Egg omelette. Yung amo nyo, amo.
Sulog na yun.
Mupo ka muna dyan, sir.
Kaya, gutom na. Konting tiis na lang, sir. Basta huwag mong kakalimutan yung sweldo namin.
Now to the plate.
Oh my God. I'm so yummy.
Wow.
Uy, uy, uy. Uy. La, so sick. Okay ra na. Oh my God.
Mulain, ma-discourage ang beauty sa cancer. Gunit, Sam.
Ikaw rin gunit. At ngayon naman ay magluluto tayo ng corned beef. Ako na naging chef dito.
Magluto ka sa channel mo, Sam.
Hindi ako marunong
Pagbisaya lang. Kabalo. Tagalog.
Yung kabalo mo ko.
Epic feel Tagalog.
Kanawa ka na anak ba niya? Pila na ka, wala na kay klase, wala na klase.
Bisaya lang ta, please.
Wanay klase
English na lang, please. Wag na lang Tagalog.
Yes, kabalo ka mo prito.
Ang galing ni Sam magliwa ng sibuyas, oh. Sam, fried rice?
Yes,
Ah, okay.
have hot dog and eggs.
hot dogs and
Egg.
eggs for the fried rice. Okay.
Ulo, bang kamo. Ikaw na na.
Oh,
Palingat eh.
yummy. Chicken now.
Ako daw.
Fried rice and fried rice. Okay. Anong unahin, Chels? What
What's the color again?
set? Garlic.
Yes. It's
Start with the garlic.
Mix it mayo.
Mix it well.
Yes. Yun sabi sa. Lah. May buntag kinimong tanan. Kay magbuka atong blind. Ano lang sudandaan. Ay, nag-video na din.
Making my coffee.
Bisa mo. Wala na ka buo? Ay, nagtak na ha? Ay, namulo. Sila. Nanawat.
So I'm here in Kamanhuyod to help Auntie Yuli. So right now we're going to Bai City to pick up some cakes. So come ride with me. We're here in Bai City now, trying to find some cake. So wala lang big cake. So going to decide.
Sige, tagsa-tagsa na lang.
Dua ka ba?
Kanina mas taas.
We're buying two instead. Let me cake dito. Super.
Very good. Pakabayo.
Lawi-lawi. Ilan yung mga preparation eh.
121.
Usap te. Okay, so guys, sa dami ng cake. Ano kami, ni Mimi, cake tasting, kung saan yung pinakamasarap. Cake tasting. Cake tasting, daming cake, so. Oh. Ayan. Parang na-transfer na yung red ribbon dito. Isa pa yan. Dito. Una, ito yung money cake. Itesting natin yung money cake. Sige. Tingnan na natin.
Sa bigil live. Ha? Kahapon.
Pangitay mo, May.
Tatawarin, basi.
Very chocolate siya. Very chocolate. Chocolate na chocolate. Pero medyo spongy siya. So, let's try another. Hindi na namin ito-test yung red ribbon. Alam na natin yun yung red ribbon. Let's try this one. Really yummy. Okay. Let's try this one.
May manikip. Dami ito. Dami na.
This is a... I can't understand. Hindi siya masyadong sweet. Actually, it has like... You can taste the salt. Medyo salty siya. Not really salty, but there's a little salt. Yeah, unlike the money tree... money tree. The money cake is really... ang ganda ng flavor. Sarap siya. So, I think I'd go for the money tree. Money cake. This one. Ito yung best seller dito. Yan. Best seller. Let's try natin yung custard. Let's try the custard. Money cake. Try the custard.
Pero lamig mo.
This is perfect. Not too sweet. Custard. Wow. Really yummy. Custard. It's yummy. I'd go for the custard cake and the money cake. Yeah. The red ribbon. Alam na natin yun. Red ribbon at Goldilocks, right?
Lamig mo siya? Hindi mo ganun.
Yeah. So, The custard is perfect. Perfect custard cake. That's, kaya pala, best seller siya. Half. Naka-half siya. Yummy. You'd go for the custard cake? Mimi would go for the custard cake. She's so camera shy. Car, what would you choose?
The money cake.